If you find yourself frequently answering similar emails in Outlook, I have a great trick for you. You can save your replies as a template so you can access them whenever you need. This is a great way to save your time, send out quick replies, use predefined text blocks with a click of a button. So let me show you. Welcome to my channel Learn Away. I make videos regarding how to make best out of tools and software that we use on daily basis. So let's start the video. So there are two ways we can do answer the email with saved replies. One of them is using my template and the other one is using quick parts. So we'll discuss both of these methods in detail. So the first method we'll talk about is my template. It is stored within the mailbox, so in whichever device you log in with your mail id, you will be able to access your saved templates. It is accessible with your exchange account only. Without it you won't be able to use this feature of Outlook. So the total size limit is 32 KB, so you have to make sure that it stays within that size limit, but it is fine enough for you to use it conveniently, and it is available only on Outlook 2013 and higher versions. Before that, this feature was not available. So let's see how we can use it. So once you open your Outlook, you will have an option get add-ins here. So you can check whether you have the add-in available with you or not. So if I click in my add-ins, so I already have that add-in available with me. If it is not available for you, then you can just search it here and add it to your my add-ins and it will be available there. Okay. So this is how you can add it. Then I'll show you how you can edit it. So, say you get frequent requests from your customers and you have a fixed reply about it. So, you can have your template saved here. In the message tab, you have to click on view templates and you will get some saved templates here. And you also have an option of adding your templates. So, I'll select lists. Now, we can type our message here saying hi there, but the thing is it has that limitation that you cannot edit the text that you type here. So if you want to make any changes to the font, the color, or add an image, these are the things that you cannot do it here. So that sucks, but we have a solution to that. What you can do is have your message in Word format. Okay, so you can just type in whatever you want, however the way you want, and then just copy the entire thing and paste it here, and it will be there the way you want it to be. Then we just click on save. Our template is saved, and then we can just click on it and it will be there and it will be here, and now you can use it. But remember the size limit that it is of 32 KB, so don't go overboard and you should be fine. Now we'll talk about quick parts. This is another way where you can save your replies and use it later on. It is a feature that Outlook has introduced in Outlook 2007. Here you can store reusable pieces of content and galleries and use it. It includes text, images, tables, and formatting. That any formatting that you want to do in your email, you can save all of these information in your quick parts and reuse it. So, but the thing is, they are only locally available on your computer. They are not automatically synced. So let's see how you can use it in Outlook. So to use quick parts, what you have to do is go to the insert tab. Then here under the text options, you will see quick parts. So you'll have to first select the message that you want to save in your quick parts and click here to save selections to quick part gallery. This new block will open up wherein you can give a name to your message. I will say test. You can create a category and create an hierarchy and categorize the quick part emails for your later uses, and then click OK. So now to use the quick part, you have to just go here and click here, and this part will be added to your email. There is also one more method that you don't have to do so many clicks. All you have to do is write the name of the quick part and click on F3, and it will just add. But the thing is that the name should be unique, and you did not, if the name is unique, you did not even write the entire name. You just click half of it and just click on F3, and voila, you have your quick parts added to your email with just 2 steps. So this is it, guys. These are the 2 ways that I wanted to discuss, and hope it had helped you and it will help you in future. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. I come up with these helpful tips regularly, so stay tuned. Thank you.